In this video, I'm going to show you how to add service charge on Square. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go over here on the left, then you want to scroll down to go to the settings. Inside settings, go to account and settings, and then from here you'll see payments. So click on payments, and then from here click on service charges. Now, whenever you click on that, it's going to enable or basically get you to this website over here where you can create your service charge. So over here, as you can see, you can create a service charge by clicking on this button. So just do that, and then from here you basically have to give it a name. So for example, I'm going to do shipping fee right now. Of course, you can do whatever you want. Then you can select either a percentage or amount. So I'm going to do amount of $3. Then you can select your locations, your sales taxes, and you can apply this to specific items if you want to as well. And then over here you can of course set a bunch of different things. You can manage stuff like taxes, stuff like this. And whenever you're done, simply click on the save button top right, and there we go. That's how to add service charge on Square. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.